Clear, O Lord, my every day, by thy mercies sponge I pray. All the sins I did to thee, by thy kindness me absolve. Christ life-giving King who art, since I serve thy sacraments, make me